Got a PDF full of numbers and no time to dig through it? Let's turn it into a dashboard in under 2 minutes. First, open Claude. I'm uploading this, it's Nvidia's latest quarterly earnings presentation. Tons of revenue and margin data buried in slides. Now, instead of asking it to summarize, I'm going to be specific. Extract the key financial metrics from this PDF: revenue, gross margin, operating income, and net income by quarter. Then build a simple spreadsheet dashboard with charts comparing them and recommend the best chart type for this data. Click Send. And that's it. Claude pulls the numbers straight out of the slides, organizes them into a table, and starts building the file. Look at that. It didn't just dump numbers, it created an actual spreadsheet with a chart already built in, and it's telling me a bar chart works best here since we're comparing quarters side by side. Now I've got a clean dashboard. Revenue, margins, income, all visualized, and I can download this or keep editing it. That's the whole workflow. Upload the PDF, ask for the specific metrics, let it build the dashboard. No manual data entry, no formatting headaches. Try it with any data-heavy report you've got sitting around. See you in the next one.